You can add assignments to your assignment bank in GradeBook so you can save time when creating assignments each quarter or school year. When you're creating an assignment on the Assignment Details screen, just select the Add this assignment to the assignment bank checkbox in order to add it to your bank. If you want to use an assignment from your assignment bank, on the Assignment Details screen, click Import an Assignment. On the window that opens, you can select the course and the assignment type, or you can enter the text from the assignment in the phrase field and then click Search. Once the search results display, you can import a single assignment by clicking the Import icon. Or if you want to import multiple assignments, in the date field of the assignments, enter the date on which you want to assign each one, and then click Import Assignments. If you imported just one assignment, the Assignment Details screen with the previously configured settings displays. You can change this as needed. If you imported more than one assignment, the class dashboard displays, and you can see the imported assignments in the assignment list on the right of the screen. To access the assignment bank on the teacher homepage, below Administration, click Bank Maintenance. The Assignment Bank Maintenance screen displays with a grid of assignments and assignment types for the courses in the drop-down list. You can view when each assignment was last taught, how many points it is worth, its weight, if it is tied to a virtual classroom activity, or if it has standards tied to it. To delete bank items, you can select the checkbox in the first column of the row of the assignment you want to delete. Then click Delete Bank Items. The button displays the number of assignments you're about to delete.